Good morning, good morning. An somewhat early start to the day just because it's pretty glassy out there right now. So, and it's supposed to get some really ripping winds later today. So I want to get out for a little bit of rip today. It's going to be the first time we're taking the new GTX out on Georgian Bay. So I think today, as we're still kind of breaking it in, I think we're just going to go out. I'll show you. We're going to go around the islands, see what we see, and come back, and we'll call that a successful trip because it is still freezing cold. But hey, when it's this nice, you gotta get out there, right? So started way over there. We've gone around the far side of that, come around through there. That's Hay Island, but we'll save that for another trip. So I think I'm gonna go down along White Cloud for a bit, and then what I'll do is, because I'm in the lee side of the wind, I'm gonna cut over to Griffith, do a quick lap around that, and then head back, and we're gonna call that one a day, just because this wind is looking like it's gonna start going. But man, what an absolutely beautiful day. guys, well, that's it for this one. Made it back safely, got her up on shore. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, there's gonna be more of these coming. I got some more of my friends are picking up some Sea Doos as well, so excited times for that. We're gonna get out on the water. Lots of videos coming for you guys this summer, so please, if you like this video, click the like button. If you want to see more of them, you know, click that subscribe button. And until next time we're out on the water or some other adventure we're doing, thanks for watching. Peace.